There he is, the one and only Fast Eddie. You are actually being pretty fast here today.
I am?
Yeah, well, I guess.
Oh, okay.
So here's the seat back. We had to change up our plans here.
Do a little remodeling.
We being you.
Yeah,
so Reg wanted to have
what's this we stuff?
Yeah, wanted an F in the back of the seat, and the way the seat was kind of laid out with the patterns and the panels, it just didn't fit very well.
Yeah,
so you change that up a little bit.
Yeah.
And you're going to mark kind of where you want the F. I already got it. We already sent it over there to be digitized.
Okay.
And so all you gotta do is take on the panel, kind of give me a size there that you want.
Yeah.
And we'll get it fitting in there.
What, about 3 inches probably?
Yeah, it looks like.
And big F usually, it's kind of a curl, and and
it's kind of a swoopy F. Yeah.
Well, that was backwards. Anyway.
Okay, so you've been working on it.
Oh yeah.
I know Reg was wanting his update and what we're doing, and don't forget to do some of the stuff. So these door panels are coming together nice. I like that design. That looks good. So you even got a little is that aluminum piece?
Yeah.
What'd you make that out of?
Leftover gas tank material.
A what?
Leftover gas tank material.
Leftover gas tank material.
Yeah.
So there you go. You got your gas tank stuck right in the door. That's clean looking though.
Yeah.
I like
took
that.
it over there and put it in and bent it and I curled it around and sized it down to fit and went and polished it.
So you bent it, curled it, sanded it, polished it, and there you go.
Yep.
That's like a custom factory part there. So here we got the windlays.
Yep.
So you sew a piece of foam in there.
Yeah.
And then that'll go along. You already got it notched, kind of notched the dash there. So it goes along the side here. So when the door shuts, it closes up against that.
It closes up against it. Yeah, it'll sit in here just like this, all the way around the door.
Yep, that works out really well.
Yeah.
And we got the top panel. So we're putting the tank in. We have to change up our hinges a little bit so they close down around that. That'll be a Daryl deal.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it'll sit right in here.
So we're gonna leave that shiny aluminum tank out there.
Yeah. I'll just make panels and stuff around it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, unless I wouldn't think he wants it covered.
No, well, Reg probably watches. So if you want it covered, let us know. But
yeah,
I would think, yeah, it'll look good. Just make all the panels to go all around everything else and have an aluminum tank. And the battery.
The battery's gonna sit right here. It'll be right back here like this.
Right behind the seat.
Right behind the seat. There's plenty of room, and I just don't think it's a good idea to put the battery back there for the gas tank. This way it'll have 2 walls in between it.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Just little. You never know. It's safer that way anyway. And then I'll be able to cover over it where really you don't hardly even see it back there,
Right.
And the seat flips forward where you can get to it if you need to.
Mm-hmm.
And yep.
So I think we got aluminum box on the thing, but you just make a box and cover it.
Yeah.
It'll look cleaner.
And I'll cover it with
carpet the same as the floor.
With the carpet and stuff, match the rest of the interior, and it'll just practically disappear back there.
Yep.
Yep. So
easy to access.
Easy to access is right.
So these seats flip down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you'll just the back's off, but the seat will just flip forward and get at the battery.
Yeah. And
that'll be that.
Plan is to put some pockets on the back of them, because you ain't got no glove box there. Ain't no way to put anything.
So you put a pocket on the back. Okay.
Yep.
That'll work.
Then you put your car show pamphlets and your papers. You got to have it registered and everything else. Someplace to put all that.
And then we're gonna stitch this with the light color. You can kind of see we got.
Yeah, with the gray.
Here we go. We got kind of a light gray in there, kind of a two-tone going on.
Yeah. That's the same gray as this.
So that'll work.
Yep. Kind of blend it all together.
So this is part 3.
Yeah.
Part 3, 32 interior. It's pretty close. We just got to finish up a couple other things.
Gotta
And
finish up the seats and, get the gas tank mounted, all that.
what do we got here?
All that was a pattern.
Just to make your
That's
make your
how
designs.
I made my design. Yeah.
Oh, you didn't freehand all that? Man, now I used
Well,
to be
I could,
impressed. I'm not
you
so
know.
impressed anymore.
I'm blind in one eye, I can't see out the other, so I can't
I thought you freehanded everything.
Yeah.
All right, well, very good. I better go check on
Got
Daryl.
this back garnish built. See, even highlighted it with the light gray.
Yep,
It'll all snap in there.
all rolled around,
Yeah.
snaps in. That goes right up to the back window.
Right up to the back.
And the
window.
back glass just glues right in, flush mounted,
Yep. And then that makes it all round again.
and it looks all pretty. All right, so there we go.
Yeah.
You've been dominating. The very few videos we've been doing have all been here because you're easy. I can just walk by and pester you for a minute.
Yeah. I tell him to go away, and here he comes
It
with the
doesn't
camera
matter.
anyway.
All right, well, I'm gonna go check on Daryl. Make him turn his music off.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
I can hear it in the background already.
Right.
Everybody's wondering, are you still around? We ain't been giving the
No
daily
daily
dose of
dose.
Daryl.
Been in Santa's workshop.
Well,
doing things.
yeah, you start to look like Grumpy Santa now. We need to get you one of them hats that's got the little red thing and coming over the side. So we got Joe's car. Joe's been here a couple times in the last month or so. And so this is the tank. Building some baffles for it. You're gonna fill it all up.
Fill it all up.
And he made some shoe boxes.
Shoe box is gonna go on the side,
So you can get probably,
so gas can come in, gas can escape. something like
okay,
that,
so we got gas there. This is gonna go in the trunk.
on both sides.
And that's probably what, a couple gallons maybe?
2.5 gallons.
2.5 gallons, so there's two and a half
5
times
gallons
2
on
is
the-
5 gallons.
5 gallons on the outside, and I figured that the inside's gonna be roughly about 25 gallons.
25, so that ain't bad.
Yeah.
30
so
gallon tank.
He should. I'm kind of iffy. The actual measurements, if it was a complete square tank, is 33 gallons. The same height up and across there without this spot missing, it would be 33 gallons. So you
Okay.
take this out, and I measured from here down and did that one, and did this section here and did this section here. It come out to around 24, 25
Okay.
gallons. So it's going to be close to 30.
Yeah, that'd be, so if you measured them in these angles.
I measured on those
halved
angles,
it
and I
did that.
started from
Yeah.
here, and this right here,
Yep.
and then this one was right halfway in between or whatever.
So we're pretty close, 30 gallons.
It's pretty close. I mean, that's a lot of fuel in the back of the car. Like I said, and that's the reason why I put the baffles.
weight-wise, it'll even add some to it, so.
Well,
You got the baffles.
The reason
it
why
won't
the
slosh
baffles
around.
in there won't slosh around. Gonna put a extending unit on this side so it swings down this way.
Mhm.
It'll only come to right about here. So it'll be a minute or two before it starts showing that it's losing gas. Okay, but then
Mhm.
once it gets past this point right down here, it'll be able to
Swing
get to
down.
where it needs. And it actually sets in the car at a little bit of an angle like that.
Oh, perfect.
So, and the drain's gonna be back here in the center.
Mhm.
So he should be able to get, the only thing I'll have maybe less about a half a gallon of gas if he runs it empty. And that's it.
Very good. So Reg is moving forward.
Yeah.
So we get this done, we get it installed.
I'll get it tacked up tomorrow and get it test fitted again. And then I'll weld everything on the outside, and then it's putting this part here, because I'll have to bend it as I do it, come down, come around.
Mhm.
And then I'll have 2 tabs here to hold it in, and there'll be tabs on the back side of that to hold it to the post so it doesn't move.
So it'll be a custom
It's
tank.
100%
Total
custom. Yeah.
Did Eddie share with you how we're gonna have to change them hinges to get ready?
He did mention it this morning.
So we'll just
this
change 'em
afternoon.
up.
Yeah, so I can take a look at that too and try to redo those that are on there.
Yep.
So it clears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, very good. We actually had an update for you guys. We haven't been doing many, but there we go. Here's today's update.